We're out here. See the people? We're out in the sea.
Yo, dog, we had to drive.
Oh, somebody share my food, please.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
Dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Sha'Carri. No. I honestly don't even want to talk about this story, but let me just jump right into it. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So, American sprinter, 21-year-old Sha'Carri Richardson will not be competing at this year's Olympic Games. Now, some time ago, we saw the news break out that she actually breached the Olympic guidelines, and one of it stated that you are not supposed to be puffing that marijuana during competition time, and she did so at the US trials, and so that her time that would have placed her to be a part of the selected 3 to compete at this year's Olympic Games, that will be null and void. So she's no longer going to be a part of the team, but there was a possibility that she would have been taking place in the relays, and it looked like said that get back so out of her hand. And honestly, me don't know if I have that much sympathy and empathy for her right now.
What I did, I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm allowed not to do, and I still made that decision, but not making an excuse or looking for it.
I understand the part where she lost her mother. I'm really, feel it fair there. So, but you see the little arrogance there. You see the little I think the woman like she go on with it, and she even kind of talk about her teammates and look away like, yo, if I share who, there's nobody else from USA that could ever that won't be anything to look forward to. I just never like the little tone there to how she was speaking. But as I say, the girl young in the game, and I'm sure she will have other Olympic games that she can try to go for the medal. But for right now, Team Jamaica is running it right through. Sharika, Ilian, Shellyan, like them there is to beat. They're in tip-top form. And me I tell you, say the 100 meter and the 200 meter. Oh my God, me never want to talk about it. But Sha'Carri, me don't argue with people online. There was a back and forth people talking about Jamaica. Honestly, this entire situation actually proved how ignorant many Americans are. Don't disrespect to the Americans who are watching, but I've often heard that American people really and truly only know information pertaining to what happens in America. It's not like people who, come from the Caribbean or elsewhere would tend to have more information as, to other world topics and world views and all of these things. American people only know we're going in America and things that the whole world revolve around America and American rules and guidelines. And that is not the case. So, for all of you people who were defending brand Jamaica and taking on all of the Sha'Carri people them over there, Gabriel Union.
I'm ignorant. I want class to know and talk some different things. Gabriel
Union, you can go all like a chill pill. That's all me have to say. But for right now, Sha'Carri, no Olympics for you. Me I look forward to Team Jamaica. That is what me have to say. Bury those sound off below. Number 9, me go Stuppies. Fast Elaine wins. My word, my sentence. Alright, so, oh my God, where do I jump into this? So, people, me tell you, the Jamaican sprint ladies, the sprint queens, are just showing off themselves right now and silencing all of the little fool noise that is going on in America. Because while they're so busy talking about Sha'Carri, them not realize the triumphant ladies that are representing the Caribbean and blazing the trail for Team Jamaica. So, you know, say, the fastest woman in the world right now, recording time, is our very own Shellyan Fraser-Pryce with that time of 10.64. 10.64, 10.63 seconds. But yes, right about now, Ilian Thompson, Ilian Hira, she is jumping into the chat and making people know that she is here to stay, and we must consider her as that person to be on top of that 100-meter podium.
Good start there from Fraser-Pryce, also going well as Thompson-Hera. Thompson-Hera leading at the moment, the others are chasing hard. Fraser-Pryce, is she going to get there? No. Thompson-Hera is going to take this one by half a metre, 10.72.
Oh wow, okay, so it says breaking Elaine Thompson-Hera clocks a season's best of 10.71 seconds to defeat Shellyan Fraser-Pryce 10.82.
Nice.
Now people, let me just tell you why this is so important. This is actually Elaine Thompson's fastest time in 4 years, you know. And you know, so, the Olympics is right around the corner, so me I try to show you that the Jamaican ladies are in tip-top form.
My friend.
But yeah, that is it, Burritos. But say everybody, I'll give them Olympic predictions for the 100 and 200 meter. Me want to hear, how do you think that they will play? Shellyan, Ilian, and Sharika. How do you think they're going to place? 1, 2, 3. Leave one comment down below. Number 8, Khaled cards. Mario Go Kart. Alright, so Burritos, there is no question as to whether or not DJ Khaled is an honorary Jamaican. He definitely is. Improve it time and time again. And look on this another example.
Inferno. You know, we just vibing, man. You know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Just wanna know the bumper clock, with the bumper clock one. That's the one, you're straight. Inferno.
We're not gonna lie, if DJ Khaled ever start to put the same amount of effort in an album like when put into being Jamaican. No, I'm not like that. You know what? I just don't, because that sound kind of shady.
Anybody ready? 2 beats one on, 5 beats from the back. If you're too heavy, you're paying 1,000. Come on, no. Anybody ready? Come on. Anybody ready? Nobody ready.
Number 7, hungry, vice, note. My lunchtime. Alright, burritos, you know the little feeling like when you know you have your food, you might have all your KFC, you can't eat after all night. And you left it in the fridge and go up on the road and you just say, boy, I make sure I hide it, you know, put it in one little bag, I'll write my name on it because I know I have one little wanga got big brother, or one wanga got sister, or father, or mother. And when you come home, it just gone. Disappear. This is what it's like. Take a listen.
Imagine, you know, I put on my $500 food, you know, and my 2 slices of pizza them, and Kabel, you know, say Kabel eat me things. I know. I can't talk about, oh, and when I tell her to eat it, I know me hungry now, I'm nothing to eat. And then mommy, I just part, mommy not even care, me want my money, because guess me, go poison Kabel, me go prison for murder for me young age. Me not done school, me not do nothing, me go prison.
John, stop. John,
This don't nice at all. Burritos, please let me know, has this ever happened to you at home? And let me know who normally eat out your things out of the fridge. Sound off. Number 6, dirty duo. My dirt bunks. Alright, so Burritos know, me tell you the dancer that is running the place right about now is this dancer named Tyreek. And this single from La Lee that is all about the dirt bunks. Now it look like, say, you know, them people here decide to just step up the ante. They want to bring a different flavor and spice to the dance. And look at this. This is the dirt duo.
From man, the kid, bad man, but I never go low. Tell them I talk to that this was show, but I tell you a story, just listening. I was a night, me a sneak feet. And you first know that shit. Keisha, me, I'm a real body. She was punch, me, I need it, just yeah. And a sponge back thing. And a silly good thing. She could be, it's a true thing. All that good thing, it's a bad man, see, that's nice. And I know that it just, it's in the place, it's in the
Burritos them shell. No, let me know if you and the partner want to try this. Sound off below. Number 5, Elsa storms J.A. My umbrella. Alright, so burritos, me tell you now, Jamaica need to be grateful. Jamaica need to just get down on its knees and thank the Lord Jesus Savior Divine. Because I tell you, every time there is a hurricane that seems like it won't make its way to Jamaica, all of a sudden it just turn back, it just stop, it diffuse, it just go up into the air. I do not know. Me don't know what kind of prayer warriors Jamaica have, but it's just like say, yo, no hurricane that farm against Jamaica can really ever prosper. And you know, Elsa, you know, developed into a hurricane. All of a sudden, it went back into a tropical storm, and Jamaica luckily never really get the brunt of what it could have really delivered. But several parts of the island, as usual, because you know Jamaica don't really have all that of much of a draining system. So you know, say all about the Kingston area and parts of the country, you know, St. Thomas and Portland and for them local ways will just like flood it out. Pre some of the scenes.
So this is Sandy Gully right now. I'm standing on the edge of Sandy Gully and this is the current situation. I'm in Riverton Meadows where I am. My gully is full. It's connected to Sandy Gully, so it was starting to fill up with a lot of water.
And as usual, when you have the little sad part and the little oh my god situations, you're going to have people just enjoy the festivities because it's just a little hurricane to some. Take a look.
Only in Jamaica.
I have nothing more to say. Like Jamaica will always keep. Jamaica always will be festive. Jamaica not going boring one time. Hurricane ooh. Number 4, Jackson back. Me hee-hoo. Alright, so Ghetto Michael Jackson seems that he is back on the scene again after splitting from his manager and know about the little saga there. It looked like so he might drop the Michael Jackson act and he's trying to just go African? Pre. Okay, well, I mean, you know, I guess everybody's pivoting in the pandemic. He is doing the same thing, so, you know, he move a little bit out of the Michael Jackson thing and try some Afrobeat dance move. Like, you know what, I'm going to put this on the Burritos. Burritos, when I say about this, when I think about Ghetto Michael Jackson's African moves, sound up below. Number 3, Louis Reigns. Me party cloudy skies. Alright, Burritos, me tell you, said this brother is no, I do not know how LA Louis just manages to keep himself in the media. He constantly just managed to rebrand himself and keep, you know, like a different generation knowing of him and knowing of him craziness and his silliness like that has to be commended. And Ellie Lewis is striking yet again. He stepped out in the middle of the Elsa storm to deliver this news update.
Here in the middle of the storm. Where the storm there? Storm! Me there wait for you. Where are you? The Emperor's out here. Uncle me are the gods and the ancestors about the people. We shall have it, Timoshe Mandisha. See the people. We can't find no storm. We're out here. See the people, we're out in the sea. I am waiting on the storm. People, uncle thing them do people is turn up the weather machine people. It named the ARP. You understand? For flood out the place them, for kill off the crop them. So by next 3 weeks now, you're going to say yam, banana, tomato gone to the sky. Because it is scarce. And then the rain will fall people is an acidic rain people. I can know because I drink water through my nose. So this is an acidic rain people. So now all of you're going to use a ganja case again. So watch by next 5 weeks now. You can't buy no high grade ganja again. The high grade ganja them people go to the sky.
Okay, alright. That's it for LA Lewis. Like honestly, that is it. Can you imagine a podcast with LA Lewis and Amari? I hear the podcast already, right? Make sure, just think about it. A podcast between LA Lewis and Amari. Think about it right now. May I tell you? You almost hear the pain and the sufferation like while you try to understand what they talk about. But LA, thanks for your update and the information that you shared. Sound off below, Burritos. I have nothing to say about this. Number 2, couples goals. My word, my sentence. My autotube. Alright, so Burritos, I forgot showing this video. I think you're gonna play the full thing. Of this YouTuber that is called Autotube. And he did this video parodying how the Jamaican couples them go on. Like if you don't watch YouTube and know how the couples channel them go, when them do them look a pranks and get them look a hustling after the
What's going on, guys? I know it's your boy Otto from H&L. Babe over there sleeping, so we're going babe. Put on your phone and sleep now. Wait. Babe over there while I sleep, cause you don't know so we go prank car. Alright, let's go. Babe.
Yes.
Look at her.
What happened now? See me there, try to get some sleep.
Babe, I don't want there again. Please.
Come on, you idiot. No, because you're idiot. Come out, Tower.
I can't bother with your style. I can't bother with your style, no. Yeah, show me it now.
Come out, Tower. You're stupid.
Listen to me, no, man.
You can't left me.
No, you have to show me it like harder than that. They have to believe it, you understand? No, you not should be now. Just show me it like harder. Me say me no want that with you again, lady.
Yeah, left me. Listen to me. Me don't talk. I don't know what you.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Where camera?
I was pranking you.
Where camera?
You don't see camera, babe?
No.
Look for camera.
You're serious? You want to left me for real?
Look for camera. No, it's a prank. It's a prank. Look now.
Where the camera is?
Look, come, look. Can I see it?
Oh.
You see it? See it there? We got our guys. Subscribe. Road to 100,000. Pick up on yourself.
No, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why I'm drip up the way that the couple channel them. Like, honestly, I mean, listen, my view is that, yo, on do no hustle, everybody have to hustle, everybody on this platform hustle and try to get a little monetization and collect them AdSense money a month in time so them can take care of themselves and stuff. So everybody kind of understand the little shrimps and what this legend say?
We have to just do what we have to do.
Hey man, that is exactly it. But let me know, burritos, do you think Attitude hit the nail on the head with this one? Sound off below.
Hey yo, this is Sean Paul ever flossing and you don't know we're endorsing the Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked.
And number one goes to... Who's that white Jamaican? My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to this white Jamaican by the name of Janea. I hope I'm getting the name correctly. So, burritos. So, at some time ago, this clip was posted online and it got many people just like having all kind of conversation like, who is she? And is she really Jamaican? And are there Jamaicans that look like her?
So after me go shop and sit and come back and go share too. No. Somebody share my food, please. Me walk away at the sign of fear and shift it back between and to any bag. Every and now enough me after me go.
Wassy no people, wassy.
After me go, I'm tired, I'm tired.
No, honestly, like, it was quite novel. I liked it. I always love seeing white Jamaicans because we need to be reminded that there is a reason why it is out of many one people. The only difference is that most of the time, the black them each up one side and the Chinese them each up one side and you have the Indians them each up one side. And so we're not always integrated in the same spaces, but best and believe that there are white Jamaicans here. You just have to go and look. I think there's actually a parish in, where is it again? Is it St. Elizabeth? Where I think there's a German community, like, and there are white Jamaicans that actually live there and they're integrating the community quite well. Please let me know if I'm correct. So yes, this girl is definitely a Jamaican and she born and grow here, and luckily I was very happy when a burrito sent me this video that I guess provided more detail into who she is, and take a listen.
Yeah, you have to put sickness on it. You have to put fat soap on it and wrap it around and dirt. Now I'm gonna do that. The pot come out shine.
Yeah, so the wassy Jamaican white girl people wanna be na ask about and say how she talks so. She talk the sweetest Jamaican language more than any one of us. So come give me a look at your language. And people know your features.
My language is patois and English. That is my first
Oh, so
language.
the people always ask about Jamaican born.
I was born in Jamaica. I was raised here. I went to school here.
People can understand. Tell the people
yes.
so where you born and grew
I born and grew up Portland. I was raised here. I go to school here. Everything I travel, yes. My parents German, so I am bilingual, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I can speak German as well. Ich kann auch Deutsch reden, wie die Melodie, weil sie ist auch Deutsch.
What?
So yes, I can speak. I can chip in on pato, don't do that. Yes. And I can also speak standard English. I can speak very good English. So yeah.
What else can you do?
Everything.
Everything else.
What I know? Can climb tree, you fat. Yo, where do we go? Yo, where do we go up to? On an apple tree, Mr. Who you been on top of an apple tree? I saw the backside in a go.
You see a fight?
No, honestly, like, this is lovely. These are more obviously more of them stories here because as I say, there is so much happening in this very little precious island. Like Jamaica, we're just full of diversity, so much variety, and there's not a like a one shoes fits all. Like, there's so many different ways to be Jamaican. And so big up yourself, Janea, and appearing in that video, and hopefully we get to see more of you speaking that Jamaican lovely patois. Or have to hear more of it. Well, that is it, burritos. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button. Yes, man, please to like the video. Turn on the post notifications. Now, once you've done that, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown, as well as to share it. Okay? Now, if you don't watch the video and you enjoy everything already, why not subscribe? Please to subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to head to the 300,000 subscriber mark, so please to subscribe. Also, if you want to follow me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And if you want to email within the social media countdown, if you also want to advertise within the social media countdown, it is bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. So take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them sort me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.